Hey YouTube, Charliepopable here, and
hey YouTube, blazintoastz here
with the review of this son of a bitch. Yeah, I'm not bothered to say names. Yeah, so yeah, we got this thing. It looks like
it's a face.
Yeah, it's great, right? And then we got Gosei Red, and then we have the belt buckle, and then we have camera fall.
Wow.
Oh shit. Oh crap, box. Okay, then we got lights and sounds. And then we got the Tensouder and shit. And then it comes with an extra card because you bought this as a set. Yeah, that's what you get for buying this as a set. Isn't that great?
It's a total of 9 cards.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, 9. That's all great. Then we got Gosei Red with his penis erecting. What's in this set? Blah blah blah. And then all the shit that comes with it.
Yay.
Yeah. And then it says, put the card in his mouth, just in case you're stupid. And then you can put shit there, and it works in a gamma machine that was here like 2 years ago.
Gosei Red.
Going all, hey, look at me! And then he's... and then we have him going, oh, look at my penis. It's all white! And same stuff here. So, alright, on top we have the Goseigers,
yeah.
Bottom, we have Goseigers again. Yeah, so that's cool. It's like, holy shit, that's the size, yeah. Totally. Alright. Oh, Jesus Christ. Open time. Yeah, everything's gonna fall. Okay, so screw the box. And then you get your cards. Instructions. We have Gosei Red in the Tensouder's mouth.
It's like a warning.
Yeah, it's like, don't put your hand inside, noob.
No, this is the...
I knew that. And then we got the belt pieces and the belt.
Yay.
Alright, so how are we gonna do this?
Take this out.
Yeah, I'll take this out. Alright, then we'll remove Alatar from the mouth first so he doesn't feel sad. Okay, so we'll take a look at the cards. Epic zoom time. No, I'm kidding. So here we have Gosei Red. He's cool. I'll show you the sounds later.
It's in Japanese.
Yeah, and in Korea it'll be all Korean. So here we got change. So that's cool. Next card we have is him again.
Skick Sword.
Dude, I'm sick of seeing him already. We have summon. Next, what is
Twistornado Explosion Power.
What he said. It's right on the back. What's this?
Tensou Sentai.
And then we have whatever the hell this is called. I don't watch Gosei because Gosei is for angels.
I'm an angel. Gosei Dragon.
Yeah, and he's like, oh, hey, my neck is as long as your penis. You should know. And we have a summon. And we have him
special
going
card.
Yeah, special card.
It says Gosei Red.
Oh, just like my card.
At the back.
Oh, so it's not like my card.
It's kind of like a card.
And then we have this
Seaick
thing.
Bowgun.
It'd be really cool if you had a Gosei green card. That'd be awesome. It's like, I got pwned.
There's no Gosei green cards.
Oh, it sucks. Summon.
Shock header.
Yeah, it's like really...
It's like the only header card.
It's really scary because like you suddenly see some kind of shark head floating around and you're like, holy shit, where's your body? And shit. So that's the summon card. And what's this?
It's a tiger mecha thing.
Mecha thing. Summon. So that's cool. They all have their little something.
The top barcode, if it's like a mecha or header, then there's like this red arrow. And if it's the normal stuff, then it's just white.
Summon. Okay, so we'll go through this in order. I just screwed up the order, so that's great. Yeah. We'll take a look at Itana Baby's face. All right. So here he has a huge pimple.
It's not.
And then we have a face.
It's Master Head's face.
Or
see, it's his mustache.
Oh, sexy. Oh, message!
Yay!
I don't give. Okay, we have green eyes, so that's cool. My light's reflecting it weird.
Mouth.
And he's like, oh,
it's not on.
Yeah, I know.
The on button's like here.
There. And
such a plain sound.
So when you turn it on, you get this light on his head. It's like, I have a glowing pimple. It's light. Yeah, it's like, oh. Gotcha. No, nothing? Okay. So we'll do that later. Now we take a look at this. You do all that talking now.
So this thing, the buckle, it's like really golden stuff and you can reflect it. And so this thing comes in and when you take it out, this thing pops up. And then you can like push it down. So it's just like a rectangle thing. And the buckle, and you put like all the cards inside that come with it. So yeah, it can fit like 10 cards inside.
Alright, so that's cool. You can like put cards inside. Oh shit, that nearly flew out.
No, they won't fly out.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Now how do I take the freaking card out? Okay, anyways, we'll take this kind of crap out first.
This is Tensou.
Alright. Okay, so this is just like the rider belts.
Kind of.
Except there's 3 pieces, so that's cool. I won't even bother putting that on. So this part, you want to say anything about this part?
So this is like, you can like put in the belt. It's not like a clip-on, but it's like a
Clip-on.
zoom thing. Clip-on. So you just put this thing right in here. So you put that on the belt.
That's great. Now, to open his mouth, there's this button here. I'm not sure. Yeah, there we go. You push it and
Gotcha.
And then his pimple glows.
There's like a thing here, so when you push this thing, there's like, yeah.
So that's cool. And his eyes turn red, so now he looks like Kiva. Alright, look. So it's like all pimple glowing power and shit. So that's cool. They even have the inside with all detail and stuff, so that's cool.
If you keep it at gacha for like 30 seconds, then there'll be a noise, and then it won't scan any cards. It won't balance.
That sucks. It doesn't balance.
No balances.
And not yet. Oh, it fell. Come on, when's it gonna make that stinking no? Oh, you took the cards out. That's so amazing of you.
What's in there? It's like 30 seconds is a really long time.
Duh, I know that. I'm not looking at my time now. It's only been like 10 seconds. Alright, so while I wait for that, this thing's like made out of some kind of chrome, and hey, it's me, and here's him. Oh, censored. Alright, so there's this lever here, and it goes, oh shit, you could kill someone like that.
No.
Okay, so that's enough.
So yeah, so that's the sound. Now it stops blinking, and when you try to put a card inside, it just won't work.
It's like no use.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. So now for the real thing. It's called. Oh.
Now let's just use the card.
First card.
Gosei Red.
Fuck, how do I put this in? Yeah, got it. And. Yeah, that sounds just a nuisance, and it just goes on for a while. So that's cool. This is pretty big. It's like 1-to-1 or 1-to-1, whatever it's called. How do I take the card out?
It's like you just have to do this.
Yeah, and by doing that, you could actually break the card, which is kind of sad. Now for what's this?
It's Skick Sword. So like you don't have to close the mouth completely. As long as the barcode goes in, it's okay.
Oh wait, is that it?
Yep.
Alright.
Gotcha.
Yeah, gotcha. Oh. Alright, next.
Twistornado card.
Yeah, what he said, if you could hear that.
Twistornado card.
Yeah, what he said. Except without the oh!
Yeah.
Alright, so that's like music if you're going to heaven.
Gotcha. Yep. Gotcha. So many Gosei Red cards.
Yeah, screw Gosei Red, I hate it now. How can this even be a... Wait, is this a Gosei Red card?
Yeah.
Yeah, how can this even be a Gosei Red card? I mean, it's like...
they have all the... They put all of the cards, but they're different back.
Yeah, so it's like, combine Gosei Great. Gotcha. Sounds like... it sounded baby. Ah, shit. No, you shut up. No, you. Okay.
Gosei Dragon.
Yay! And then we have this arrow there. I forgot the arrow. I'm getting sick of this voice.
Also, the blinking thing, when it makes sounds, it follows like kind of what it's saying.
So it's
so
like,
this is like not a real like in-show Gosei card. It's like extra.
Oh, I have a card that says that.
Yep.
His voice
now
sounds
for
like
the non-Gosei Red card.
yeah. He's like, oh, puberty voice. Gosh. Skick Bowgun. I don't know why you like Gosei this much. Oh shit sounds! Sounds like my piss. Oh my god, he just sounds really stupid when he says Shaka Hita. But sadly that's so accurate. Hita.
This is the only landed card.
Yeah, landed card. Okay, so that sounds like shit. Like, literally shit. Okay, so that's cool. I don't have any other cards that make other sounds. So I'll go through them again. What's this thing again?
Gosei Red.
Yeah, we have Gosei Blue, Red. Yeah, so he's like all, hey, that's cool. He's like, oh yeah and shit. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother. So because they're like only 12 minutes and I have extra time because I'm awesome. How do you assemble this? Yeah, we'll let blazintoastz assemble this.
Okay. So you just get the smallest piece. Small. And then you just put it in.
Oh yeah, you totally put it in.
And then you like use either thing. I don't know, man. You just follow the instructions.
You've never done this before, man?
I've done this before. Maybe it's this thing.
And then we got this cool orange piece. Alright, now we can.
So now we have to like put this thing in.
Awesome, you got it in.
No.
It's like sexy, man. Don't we put that in last?
No, you put it in like here. Wait. This side, right? Or is it? No, it's like here, so. Oh.
Change Goseiger.
So.
Oh, no wonder you don't put that in last. Oh, so it's not a
so
clip
now
thing.
you like put the two sides together in whatever size. Put this thing like here, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, and then you put the cards in and shit.
This thing.
Alright, so that's cool. Now you.
And it doesn't balance like properly.
Yeah, there we got it. Oh yeah, it floats, and then it's like holy shit, holy shit. Okay,
Let's just put the cards.
Camera falling. It sounds like those McDonald's thing. Alright, so we'll put the cards in order, and then we'll go all, hey, wrong. Is that the wrong way or is that the correct way?
It works better.
It works better. What kind of... Alright, so overall, this is cool. What do you think?
It's cool. And then this thing's like awesome and stuff.
Yeah, I enjoyed playing with this. Like, it was really cool. Like, during class, I was like, and teacher came over, I was like, hi. And then this.
That didn't happen.
Yes, it did. Oh my god, it's like a mouth there.
It is. It's a face.
They all have pimples. Why do Gosei just have pimples? Alright, so that's cool. Overall, yeah, I'm on 14 minutes now. I'm like, shit! Alright, so that's cool. This is cool. I have nothing else to say. Is there another word for cool? This is cold.
It's cold.
Yeah. So, it's recommended, but it's hard to find. You can probably get one at... No, you can't get one at Mandrake. You might get one in HLJ, I don't know. CS Toys doesn't have any, Mandarake doesn't have any for sure, I think.
Yep.
Depending on when you watch this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So please rate, comment, subscribe, and
have a nice day.
Yeah.